Hello everyone and welcome to Leggear's YouTube channel. And today, I'm going to unbox a package that I bought from Lazada app last 8/8 day sale or this 8th of August 2022. And before I open it, I'm going to read to you what's on the label. It's a 200 watt mini portable power station emergency battery backup with AC, DC, PD, USB output. So it cost 4,500 Philippine pesos and I received it like 3 days after I placed the order. So I'm really excited to open it. So let's do it now. Alright, here. So I already checked the box and everything is okay. Let's open it. So the original price I think is 4,500, but because of the 8/8 days sale, I got a voucher worth 200 pesos. So I got a discount of 200 pesos. So I just paid 4,300 pesos for this portable battery or portable power station. Okay. So there's another box inside, right? Alright. So there's nothing inside, just a bubble wrap. Okay, so another box. Let's check it. Right, now I'm gonna open it. Okay, everything is sealed, everything's okay. Just a little scotch tape. Alright. Okay, I have to do it carefully. Good. Now I can see what's inside. And there's another box inside. I just can't believe there are like 3 boxes for this package. Okay. There it is. Another box. EMS. Okay. Right. So I think this is the last box that I'm going to open. So you can see the image there. Right. Everything's Chinese except here. Output power voltage is 220 volts. DC output is 12 volts, input voltage is 12.6 volts, 5 amperes, battery capacity, operating temperature is up to 50 degrees Celsius, storage environment dry away from fire and magnetic field, protection function, short circuit protection, overload protection, and overheating protection. It's good. Hey. So are you excited? I'm also excited to open it because it's not that expensive compared to other power station that I saw on the app, but for me it's it's like a big deal already. 4,500 for a power bank or a power station. Okay, so here it is. Here's what's inside. Alright, then we'll remove this one first. This is the power adapter. Power adapter. I'll open that. And then there are phones here. I think this is it. Okay. This is power bank. I'll just remove this. Power station rather. Good. So this is how it looks like. Okay. Now I'm gonna open it. Just remove the protective plastic. I think this is the warranty card, and then the manual, of course it's in Chinese. There's some English here. Okay, so at the back there is English at the back. Let me show it to you. There. Right. Okay, so here it is. Fresh. Okay. It says here at the back, yeah, the same thing that I read from the box. So physically, it's not that heavy, maybe less than 2 kilos, I think. So it could be more or less 1 kilogram. And then here, this is the wireless charging. So I'm going to try that later. And then this one is for the AC plug. So there is a switch here, so I have to turn it on. But before that, this is the main switch, on, off, and then light. Okay, so this is the battery percentage, 100%. So let me turn on now the AC. Okay, so it turned on, and then there is a ventilation here, so I can hear the fan. Okay, so now I can use this one. And then it's the lighting, so to turn it on here maybe. Alright, good. That is the lighting. And then I'm going to turn it off again. So this one is for the USB. And then for the PD, I think this is the fast charging type C. And this one is for DC output. And input probably, maybe, yeah. I think this one is for the input as well, so for the solar charging. Okay, so let's try. I'm going to try first maybe okay, for the next video, please, all right, check out the next video because I'm going to try this product. Alright, so please don't forget to subscribe so you can get a notification when I uploaded already the second part of this video, which is I'm gonna try and test this one. Okay, so that's all, and thank you again for watching. If you have any comments, suggestions, or any reactions, please don't forget to write it down in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe and then click the like button, and as well as to share this to your friends. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.